How to make Three Sisters soup. If using dried beans, start 2 days before. Rinse the beans, then soak in the refrigerator overnight. Use a 3-to-1 ratio of water to beans. The next day, drain the water, cover, and cook in fresh water for up to 180 minutes. You'll know they're done when they're soft. Drain the water from the beans, cover and refrigerate until ready to use. Assemble the ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cups of roasted butternut squash, 4 cups of chicken or vegetable stock, 1 cup of beans, 1 onion finely diced, 1 carrot sliced, sage, curry, and garlic, 1 rib of celery, and 1 cup of corn. If you're using your own dried sage, you'll need to grind it. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Wash your squash and prepare your squash. Cut the squash carefully. Scoop out the seeds. Dice the squash. Then add 2 tablespoons of oil, a half a teaspoon of sage, and a half a teaspoon of curry. Toss to coat. Spread the squash on a parchment paper lined baking sheet and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. This will roast the squash. Remove from the oven when done. Mash the squash or puree it with the food processor. While the squash is roasting, chop and dice the vegetables. Add the beans to the broth and boil. Add the corn, beans, onion, celery, carrots, and garlic to the broth. Add the pureed squash and simmer for 20 minutes. You can add other cooked vegetables as desired. I added cooked asparagus to mine. Serve it and enjoy.